PNC eHub channel, we are making a series of videos for all competitive exams in all over India. In that series, as part of geography, we started about the drainage system of India. In last lecture, we discussed about the Himalayan rivers. Today, we are going to discuss about the Peninsula River system. Let's see. Please observe the map of Peninsula Rivers. That is Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapi rivers, Mahanadi. These are the peninsular rivers of India. We can see once I draw the. Here we can see Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapi and Mahanadi. These are the peninsular rivers. Let's briefly discuss about each and every river. First, let's discuss about some peninsular rivers. What is its importance? Peninsular rivers are much older than the Himalayan rivers. Very important point. That is, peninsular rivers are much older than the Himalayan rivers. They are non-perennial rivers with maximum discharge in the rainy season. The peninsular rivers are non-perennial rivers with maximum discharge only in rainy season. The main water divided in peninsular rivers is formed by the Western Ghats, which run from the north to south close to the western coast. Direction close to the western coast. Most of the peninsular rivers run from north to south. Most of the major rivers of the peninsula, such as Mahanadi, the Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, flows eastwards and drains into the Bay of Bengal. In peninsular rivers, the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flows east direction and drains into the Bay of Bengal. Here we can observe. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drains into Bay of Bengal. Are eastward flow rivers. These rivers makes deltas at their mouths. Important point. The east flowing rivers, that is the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, drains into Bay of Bengal, and these rivers makes deltas at their mouth. But the west flowing rivers of Narmada, Tapi as well as those originating from the Western Ghats. Originating from the Western Ghats, flow into the Arabian Sea and form estuaries in the place of deltas. The another important point is the west flowing rivers, that is Narmada and Tapi river, originate near Western Ghats and flow to west direction and drain into Arabian Sea. Here we can see. Drain into Arabian Sea and forms estuaries in the place of delta. These are the east flowing and west flowing rivers. These are some point about peninsular rivers. Let's see about east flowing rivers. The east flowing rivers are Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri are the east flowing rivers. Let's discuss about Godavari river system. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river system and it is also called as Dakshin Ganga. Important point. The Godavari river is also called as the Dakshin Ganga and it is the largest peninsular river system. Let's see source of the river Godavari system. Godavari river rises from Triambakeshwaram near Nasik in the state of Maharashtra. Here we can see the Godavari river originates near Triambakeshwaram. Here this is Nasik in the state of Maharashtra and it drains into Bay of Bengal. The origin is very important. Please remember. Drainage basin. The Godavari basin extends over states of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. In addition, some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Union Territory of Pondicherry. Here we can see Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, some parts of Madhya Pradesh. This is the extension of Godavari River. This is about Godavari River system. Let's see major projects of Godavari River. First one is Polavaram Irrigation Project, Kaleshwaram Project and Sriram Sagar Project. These are the projects which are on the river basin of Godavari, on the river bank of Godavari. This is about the one of the east flowing important river, that is Godavari river system. Let's see another east flowing river, that is the Krishna river system. The Krishna is the one of the longest river of India. Important point, Krishna is one of the longest river of India. Here we can see Krishna is one of the longest river of India, which originate from Mahabaleshwaram in the state of Maharashtra. Here the point is the Godavari and the Krishna originate same state, that is Maharashtra. Krishna river is the longest river in India and it is originates from Mahabaleshwaram in Maharashtra. It flows through Sangili and drains into the Bay of Bengal. The Krishna river drains into Bay of Bengal. The river flows through the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Here we can see Maharashtra, flow of Krishna river, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and drains into Bay of Bengal. Another important point is Tungabhadra river is the major tributary which itself is formed by Tunga and Bhadra rivers that originate in the Western Ghats. The Tungabhadra river is the major tributary to the Krishna river. This is about the another east flowing river, that is Krishna river. Let's see another important river, east flowing river, that is Kaveri river system. The Kaveri is also known as the Ganga of South India. Important point, the Kaveri is also known as the Ganga of South India or Dakshin Bharat ki Ganga or Dakshin Bharat ki Ganga. It originates from Talakaveri located in the Western Ghats. The Kaveri originates near Talakaveri near Western Ghats. This is the flow of Kaveri river between two states, that is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, which is drains into Bay of Bengal. Let's see some more points. The headwaters of the river are in the Western Ghats range of Karnataka state and from Karnataka through Tamil Nadu. The river drains into Bay of Bengal. The river supports irrigation for agriculture and is considered as the main support to ancient kingdoms and modern cities of the South India. This is about the Kaveri river system. Here we can see flowing through from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu and drains into Bay of Bengal. This is about Kaveri river system. Let's see another important east flowing river, that is Mahanadi river system. The Mahanadi originates from the Satpura range at the central India and it is a river in eastern India. Important point, the Mahanadi originates from Satpura range of central India and it is a river in eastern India. It flows east to the Bay of Bengal, means it drains into the Bay of Bengal. The river drains from state of the Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Orissa. Another important factor is the largest dam, that is Hirakundu Dam, is built on the river bank of Mahanadi. Let's see the flow of Mahanadi river. We can see here. This is the flow of Mahanadi river between Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Orissa and Chhattisgarh and after finally drains into Bay of Bengal. the Mahanadi River originate from Satpura range. This is about east flowing Peninsula Rivers, that is Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri and Mahanadi. These are the east flowing rivers. Let's see west flowing Peninsula Rivers. The west flowing Peninsula River, the first one is Narmada River system. Narmada River is located in central India. It rises to the Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh, in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The Narmada River, here we can see. Narmada River originate near Amarkantak plateau, Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh. It is in central India. It outlines the traditional frontier between North India and South India. It is the boundary line between North India and South India. It is one of the major rivers of Peninsula India. Only the Narmada and the Tapti rivers and the Mahi rivers run from east direction to west direction. Narmada, Tapti and Mahi rivers runs from east to west direction in India. The rivers flow through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and finally drain into Arabian Sea in the state of Gujarat. This is about Narmada river system. Here we can see flow of Narmada. And drains into Arabian Sea in the state of Gujarat.